The 2025 Ashok Leyland Captain 4923 is a heavy-duty truck designed to offer outstanding performance, durability, and efficiency for commercial transportation. Part of Ashok Leyland's Captain series, the 4923 model stands out for its powerful engine, robust design, and driver-friendly features, making it a top choice for businesses in sectors like logistics, construction, and mining. At the heart of the Captain 4923 is its advanced 6-cylinder, 5.6-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering a solid 230 horsepower and 900 nanometers of torque. This powerful engine is paired with a 9-speed manual gearbox, ensuring smooth gear shifts, high torque delivery, and improved fuel efficiency, even under heavy loads. The engine is designed to perform exceptionally well in challenging conditions, providing the reliability needed for long-haul journeys or operations in tough terrains. The truck is built on a strong chassis capable of supporting a gross vehicle weight GVW of 49 tons, making it ideal for transporting heavy cargo. The reinforced chassis ensures it can handle even the most demanding loads, while the combination of high payload capacity and robust build makes the Captain 4923 a reliable choice for transporting goods across long distances. The suspension system on the Captain 4923 is designed to deliver a balanced ride and durability. With semi-elliptical leaf springs and shock absorbers on both the front and rear axles, the truck offers superior comfort and stability, even on rough and uneven roads. This makes the truck more reliable in various environments, ensuring it performs optimally no matter the road conditions. Safety is a top priority in the design of the Captain 4923. The truck comes equipped with advanced safety systems such as anti-lock braking system ABS and electronic brake force distribution EBD for improved control and reduced braking distances. It also features a reinforced safety cabin to protect the driver in the event of an accident, and its strong braking system ensures that the vehicle can be safely stopped, even when fully loaded. The cabin of the Captain 4923 is spacious and ergonomic, offering the driver a comfortable working environment during long trips. It is equipped with modern features such as an adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, a user-friendly dashboard, and a comprehensive infotainment system. The cabin's design ensures that the driver can focus on the road with minimal distractions while benefiting from enhanced comfort, reducing driver fatigue. The truck is designed for fuel efficiency, with cutting-edge technology that helps lower fuel consumption, reducing operational costs for fleet owners. The aerodynamic design of the vehicle, along with its efficient engine and transmission system, contributes to lower fuel consumption, while the truck's superior load-carrying capacity and stability ensure it is optimized for business use. Ashok Leyland's focus on after-sales service is another strong point. The 2025 Captain 4923 comes with a warranty package and benefits from Ashok Leyland's extensive network of service centers and spare parts availability. This ensures businesses can keep their operations running smoothly with minimum downtime. The exterior design of the Captain 4923 is modern and dynamic, with a bold front grille and sleek, aerodynamic lines that improve its overall fuel efficiency. The truck's headlights are designed for optimal visibility, contributing to safer driving conditions, especially at night or in low-light situations. In conclusion, the 2025 Ashok Leyland Captain 4923 offers a combination of power, efficiency, and durability, making it one of the most reliable heavy-duty trucks in the market. With a powerful engine, impressive payload capacity, and state-of-the-art safety and comfort features, the Captain 4923 is built to handle a wide range of commercial applications. Whether it's long-distance hauling or transporting heavy goods through challenging conditions, the Captain 4923 ensures your business can operate at its best with minimal operational costs and maximum efficiency.